Good morning from beautiful Tulum. Today I'm gonna find out and share with you how affordable Tulum is, because I've been noticing it's not the cheapest place to live in. So first of all, let's start with accommodation. I'm staying in Mayan Monkey Hostel and I'm paying about 15 euros a night with breakfast included. It's actually pretty nice. Everything is cleaned multiple times a day, and they have a few daily activities, such as this morning I started with breakfast at 7 a.m. and then 8 a.m. till 9 you can join the yoga class. This was actually my first time doing yoga, and I actually like it. I'm a bit sore because I've never stretched like that before. So yeah, it was a bit harder than I expected actually, but tried to find my balance, and I was the first to fall over actually. That was fun. But anyway, that was a few hours ago, so I'm hungry again now. So first of all, let's see if I can find some nice food up here. I need a nice hat. For me. What do you think would fit me? Oh, not with the red, white and blue. That's my flag, but...
I have more colors, I have black.
Can I try the one on top? This one? Yeah. Okay. How much is this?
700 pesos.
700. Oh, no, okay. Thank you, sir.
600, take it.
5.
Give me 550.
500 I have.
Okay.
So, how do I look in a hat? Huh? Well, at least it's not so hot anymore now. So just sat down here in this local restaurant and got me a papaya smoothie, which should be very nice. And they give me 2 sauces, and this green one should be very spicy. So well, let's try that one out. Anyway, ordered some fajitas with chicken for 155 pesos, I believe, and this one was 55. So that's not too bad. So let's wait for the food. Try this thing. Papaya. Nice. Oh, that's very good.
How much?
Yes. Looks good. How do I do this? Like, I'm not sure how to eat this. I hope I'm doing this right, because I've never had this before. But that tastes good, man. I have to try this sauce. I'm gonna go for this one first. Yeah, that tastes good. Oh, this looks amazing, man. This one is not so spicy, and this is the spicy one. The green has like the habanero chilies in them. That was a nice meal. I think those are like the best fajitas I've ever had. But they're also the only fajitas I've ever had. So it's about 12:30. I might check the 7-Eleven if they have like a SIM card for me, because I don't know. I just need some connection sometimes. So this Mexican tour guide came up to me. He was like, "Oh man, are you not burning?" I'm like, why? He's like, "Are you not burning?" I'm like, no, you get used to it. You're probably thinking, what the fuck is he talking about? It's kind of hot, but you get used to it. Just enjoying the freedom. It's probably my favorite store in the world. Yes. What does it have? Oh, nice. They have some Doritos. Okay, well, we got 2 snacks, a drink, and a SIM card, which cost me in total 280, I believe. So let's say that was about 100 in snacks. Okay, now I just need to try this real quick. Flaming hard. Oh, damn, they look hard. Ooh. Ooh. They smell hot. These are good. Damn. Okay, so I fixed my SIM card so I can actually call someone or have some internet. Some, actually, just some. But I'm going to the beach today. I hope they have some place left on the beanbags, which was very nice yesterday. So I might just go sit down there again and maybe have a bite and some drinks and go for a swim, obviously. So I'll see you on the beach. Okay, that was a very nice place. Well, I knew it was a very nice place because I was there yesterday. And apparently between 2 and 4 they have happy hour, and you can get a margarita or mezcal, something mezcal. I don't know what it is. 2 for 1. So yeah, might as well. Had some tacos with cheese and beef. Those are awesome. Like that was 260, I believe. But in total, 2 cocktails and a full meal, I paid, including tip, I paid 525, including tip. So yeah, it's customary to tip, so yeah, 15 to 20%, 10% in some places. Anyway, for now, I'm heading back to the hostel and I'm gonna check if my suitcase is there already. I don't think so, but they said it would be arriving today, so hope for the best.